So maybe we want to dance with this life. This life is really, I think Florence Scovel Shinn, old-time New Thought writer, I think she had it right in her book, The Game of Life and How to Play It. She talked about life as a game. Sometimes we just take it too darn seriously, right? We're like, oh, I'm going to manifest this thing. It's not happening. We're like, oh, I'm going to manifest. I've heard people even use the phrase praying hard. I'm going to pray hard. I'm going to pray even harder. But we don't have to pray hard. That would assume that prayer doesn't work. Life is a game, and to me, it's really all about, here's this law, and here's this game. We're throwing a ball out there, and it's coming back. We're putting something out there, and it's coming back. It's like, wow, let's play this game, and let's see what'll come back. And I love this workshop that we're going to have today.